Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use everyday household empty containers to create cool toddler activities. This toddler activity is appropriate for 12 months, maybe even a little earlier through 3 years old. So first we have some straws that I got from the dollar store. This is an air freshener that I had from the dollar store. And it has these little holes in them. This is a spice that is almost done. A spice jar that's almost done, and it's plastic. And then I have some construction paper and some cotton ear swabs. What we're going to do, we're going to take these straws and then we're going to cut them into small pieces so the child can put them into the hole. And then we're going to clean out this empty container, and then I'm going to take the label off. Sometimes on your spices, labels are very difficult to come out. So if it's difficult to come out, I'll put some glue on it and then paste this construction paper or whatever color you like around it. And then we're going to use these to stick them through. So let me show you what I mean. Let me go ahead and cut this. Let me go ahead and get some construction paper to put around that. So here are the straws that I cut up, and here is the empty jar, spice jar with the construction paper pasted around it. You can use glue gun, you can use, I used a glue stick, but here's a spice jar. So this is what we do. And your toddler will love this activity. We do it in the car. We do it to reinforce lessons during our tot schooling. So she takes the straws and she puts it through the holes. This is hand-eye coordination, dexterity, focus, concentration, and teaching the child to finish something to completion. So I give my 17-month-old all of these straws, and she gets it done, and then she wants me to open it back up for her so she can start all over again. And this only takes a few minutes for them to do. I'm doing it pretty quick, obviously, but it'll take the child just a bit longer. For this activity here, what they'll do is the same thing. They'll take these little ear cotton swabs and they'll just put it through the holes. And again, it's teaching the same concept. These holes are a little smaller, but again, it's teaching them the same concept. Focus, concentration, hand-eye coordination. And they'll find this to be so much fun as well. And again, you can take these on the go with you. And this spice jar, as you can see, closes. Some spice jars you have to open, and then you'll have these little holes at the top. But my spice jars just happen to have a flip top. So I hope you found these activities useful. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Make it a great day.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the